Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video I am going to be giving you an updated version of my FPS Unlocker which allows you to play The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild past 60 FPS when using Cemu emulator. Now this graphics pack was previously made for a different version of the game, version 1.4.1, but this version which I have updated now works with game update 1.5.0 and Cemu 1.11.4. Let's jump right across to my desktop and I'm going to show you exactly how you can install and use this graphics pack for use with Breath of the Wild. Okay, so you are going to need this file right here. You can find its download in the description of this video. You want to download it and extract it like so. Once you have extracted it, this is the graphics pack we are going to be using. You can now delete this zip file as we do not need it anymore. The next thing we want to do is open up our Cemu 1.11.4 folder. I'm just going to put this in a separate window for tidiness sake for now. You want to open up your graphics pack folder and you want to drag and drop this graphics pack which I have provided into this folder right here. I'm just going to come back to my previous directory and back into my graphics pack folder to make sure that everything gets properly organized by alphabet. As you can see, both of these graphics packs are right here. FPS++ is required to use my pack. Now you want to come into the folder and come to the rules.txt. Once we open this folder, you can see this VSync frequency right here. This is a control parameter that you can set yourself. I would advise setting this to a value of 90. Now the reason I advise setting this to a value of 90 is that if you set it to anything higher like 100 or 144, your menus will become very fast and you will not be able to properly navigate them. Make sure to come to File, Save, and we can close this folder. The next thing we want to do is launch Cemu and actually turn this graphics pack on. Let's just close this folder for now and bring this to a central area. Come to Options, Graphics Packs, and you want to scroll down this list until you see the BSoD Framerate Unlocker V2. Here it is right here. You can see that it is the newest up-to-date version of this graphics pack. All you need to do is turn this on and make sure that you are also using FPS++. Once you have this done, all we need to do is load into game and make sure that the pack is correctly working. If you are having any issues with your game soft locking or not loading properly in, please make sure that you are using the latest, most up-to-date version of Cemuhook and also the latest versions of all the graphics packs. I will have links provided in the description. And there we go. As you can see, we are now fully loaded into game and my FPS is going to 90 but not going past it. Once we come into our menus, the FPS is also at 90, but we are properly able to navigate and everything is functioning as it is meant to. So at the end of this video, I just wanted to give a massive thank you to all of the new patrons over on the BSoD Gaming Patreon. As a way of thanking you guys, I am going to include a new section at the end of each of my videos, thanking each and every one of you for your continued support of me and my channel. A special thanks must also be given to all of you awesome guys over on the BSoD Gaming Discord. You guys all know who you are and your support and help in the channel is also proving to be invaluable to me. So as always guys, cheers for checking out the video. Remember to like it if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see all future videos from me.